Strategic asset allocation is a course which description is very interesting. It covers the macro financial linkage with the sovereign asset management. It covers the strategic asset allocation and portfolio management. Of course, we will study the portfolio concept, its risk associated to a portfolio, different methods in terms of financial markets, financial and capital markets, concept of beta. There are some models for CAPM, APT, or Black-Scholes. Then we will see the methodology and toolkits for determining the investment risk portfolio. So we will talk about systematic risk, market risk, unsystematic risk, default risk, credit risk. Then we will see the optimal currency compositions, and we will also discuss about asset liability management considerations. Of course, we will see the relationship between assets and debts, your borrowing sides and your lending side, and this is a very useful course for the lenders, borrowers, and regulators. Compliances will put Basel II compliances. We'll see that what is the compliance by Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, and this course will enlighten us about a very effective strategic asset allocation according to the compliances.